Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide all of your posts on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to hide all of your posts on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after landing on this page, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three line icon, and again on this interface you can see the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Just beside the magnifying glass icon, tap on the settings like this, and when you get to this interface you will need to scroll down, and on the audience and visibility category you can see the posts option available over here, which is the third one. Tap on posts, and after that you can see the option which says limit who can see your past post on Facebook, which is the second one. Tap on there, and you can see the limit past post, which color is in red, and you can see the limit past post option available over here, which is in red just below all these paragraphs and writings. Let's tap on the limit past posts, and again tap on limit past posts, and after that you can see audience change complete, and many of your friends will not be able to see or watch your posts on Facebook. And then guys, this is how to hide all of your posts on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.